In the world where the strength of women should be celebrated, it is deeply troubling that millions still suffer in silence. Tonight, I do not stand only as an advocate. I stand as a survivor of women exploitation. And now, I am using my voice so that I could be the voice of the voiceless. Speak for the cries that have gone unheard, for the pain that has been dismissed, for the dreams that has been denied, and for every woman that was silenced by our society. Fighting against this woman exploitation is not just for a cause, but it is our moral obligation. It means breaking the silence, opposing injustice, empowering women through education, opportunities, and compassion. Let us be the generation that says enough is enough. Let us be the generation that refuses to look away. Let us have the hands that uplift, the heart that heals, and the mind that believes in change. Because when we empower women, we don't just change lives. We awaken our nation and we make our world a better world to live in. Thank you so much.